Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to make a baby shoe for 0 to 3 months. Let's start. Needle is 2.5 mm and the thread is 3 ply. First of all, we will chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now in the third chain, make double crochet 2 times. 1 and 2. Now make double crochet in all stitches except one, last one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In last chain, make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, tied it. Now from the other side, make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and this one is 8. In the last chain, make 2 double crochet as I did before. 1, 2. In the third chain, make slip stitch. This is our first row. Now second row, chain 1, make single crochet in the first chain, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain, 3 single crochet in 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now 2 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and this one is 3. Now make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. Now I finished my 6th one, and now 3 double crochet in 3 stitches, 2 and this one is 3rd. Now half double crochet in 2 stitches, single crochet in 3 stitches, 2 and 3. Now I have 2 stitches left. Now make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Make a slip stitch. This is second row. Now make 3 chain and make double crochet in the same stitch. Now 2 double crochet in the next and 2 double crochet in the next. 4 times you will make 2 double crochet in 4 stitches. Now double crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet next, again in next stitch 2 double crochet, in next 1 double crochet. Make 5 times this pattern. 2 1 2 1 2 1. Six times, sorry. One more. And now make double crochet in all stitches. Now 1 2 3 4 stitches. Make 2 double crochet in all 4 stitches in last. 2 3 and last one is 4. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Now this is our 0 to 3 month baby sole, shoe sole. Let's start. Chain 3 1 2 3 and double crochet in the back loop of the shoe. This is the chain and the back loop, this one. See, this one. Insert hook in the back loop and make double crochet, and do this all around the shoe, all around. I will meet you in the end. Now I finish my first round. Now count from the middle of the shoe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. In 15 stitch put a stitch mark, and from this side to count 15 and put a stitch mark. Now start chain 1 and double crochet in each stitch in 15 stitches. Half double crochet in 15 stitches. Now this is my 15th one. Remove your hook, stitch mark. Half double crochet in the 15th one, and now I will start my decreasing. So turn over hook, insert a hook in a stitch, pull a loop, do 1 crochet, hold for 2. Now again turn your hook, insert in next, pull a loop. Now you have 4, make 1 crochet. Now you have 3, pull through all of it. This is our first decrease. I will show again. Put needle in the next, make 1 crochet, turn again, insert, pull, do one more, and from all of it. This is how I decrease my stitches. One time, now again, and you have 3, pull it through all of your stitches. Now I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decreases. I remove my stitch marker and make half double crochet in next 15 stitches. Half double crochet in next 15 stitches. Make a slip stitch. This is our second round, upper part. Now again, chain 1 and make half double crochet in 15 stitches. I finished my 15 one and I am starting my decreasing. One, 2, 3, 4, and this is my last one, 5. Now make half double crochet 15 times toward back. Now make slip stitch. This is our last one. Now this one is my last round. Half double crochet, in 15, now decrease 1, 2, and last 3. Again make half double crochet to the end, make a slip stitch. Now this is our cute little shoe This shoe is for Mickey Mouse. This shoe is pattern of a Mickey Mouse shoe. I will put a red bow on it. Cut all the leftovers. Tight it. Cut the yarn. Now our shoe is ready. See, this is our shoe. I will put red bow on the front here, and this is a Mickey Mouse pattern shoe. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe. We will meet in the next video, inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz.